Here's a nutritious and flavorful recipe combining kale, okra and dandelion greens with onions and garlic. This sautéed greens dish is perfect as a side or a light main course. Prepare the vegetables. Wash and chop the kale and dandelion greens, removing any tough stems. Slice the okra into half-inch rounds. Chop the onion and mince the garlic. Sauté the onion and garlic. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for an additional 1 minute until fragrant. Cook the okra. Add the sliced okra to the skillet and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the okra is lightly browned. Add the greens. Stir in the kale and dandelion greens, cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until they begin to wilt. If using, sprinkle in paprika and red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Season and finish. Add salt and pepper to taste. If you want a tangy finish, drizzle the lemon juice over the greens. Sauté for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the greens are fully wilted and tender. Serve. Serve warm as a side dish or with a grain like quinoa or brown rice for a light meal. Enjoy the earthy flavors of this healthy greens dish. Subscribe for more.